Packtalk USA.
Welcome back, amigos. I got this gold visor for my SHOEI, and let's see how it comes out. Alright guys, this is the original SHOEI visor, and let's open it up, see what we have in here. Okay, ready. This looks like a good product. Okay, I'm gonna give you a little bedtime story. So I wanted to get a visor for a while now for my helmet because I have the clear one. Most of my riding is during the day, so that's why I wanted one that's like tinted. So I went ahead with this. The only thing that was holding me back was the price. Now this costs $100 for a piece of plastic, $100. But I found this on motomami.com. They even sent me this. So it was $25 off, so I bought a $75. Even at that, I know it's expensive, but these are high-end helmets, these SHOEIs. And something else that I like is that it's made in USA, right here. Made in USA, baby. And also it says daytime use only, because this is tinted. During the night, it would be dark and it will be hard to see. Okay, let's install this. It's fairly easy to do. You open up the visor, pull this down, and you pull out the visor. So you do the same on the other side. And that's it. Kaboom. And also I would like to show you this pin lock technology thing. It truly eliminates the fogginess during the cold weather, so this is a really good plus. Like I told you, the SHOEI is a really high quality helmet. This, you just take it out like this, and that's it. It does come with a helmet when you buy it new, but when you buy the visor, you have to use the old one over, and then you just pop it in. That's it. And then your helmet doesn't fog. And also, I'd just like to throw something else out here too. This came with a helmet. It's a silicone oil. You apply like a little bit on the seal all around. So when the visor slides, you know, it doesn't wear out the seal. And it seals it up better. It's not a really like important thing to do, but I'm kind of picky with my things. I like them to be in good condition, so I just want to share that with you. Okay, now's a good time to like give it a little clean here. Okay, now same thing, you just pop it in. It is gonna be harder to do because this one is tinted and you can't see where those tabs are. Okay, that's one. Wow, that looks sweet already. And that's two. Man, this reminds me of that guy. What's his name? What's his name? I forget. No, it's not Captain America. It's another guy. I forget his name now. Okay, I'm gonna check it out. See the difference from clear to tinted gold. And let's see what we got. Also, I would like to mention this Packtalk Bold. I bought it from Motomami as well. They had the best price there. I bought this duo pack and they had it for like $404. That was the cheapest I could find it. it, guys. I don't suggest using this during the night. It is pretty dark. I ride 99% during the day, so for me that works out. And if I ever have to ride nighttime, I'll use the clear one. Just swap it out and put it on. And one more thing, if the visor doesn't line up with the gasket, like all around, if it doesn't line up nice, there's an adjustment here and one on the other side, right there. So if it doesn't line up, you can adjust that and make it seal with a gasket better. Most likely it is gonna work out the way it is. You won't have to touch it like I didn't have to, but just in case if you have to, you can always do that. I'm very happy with the results. It looks badass, and I'll see you guys next week.